Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this M series double wall oven made by Wolf. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the doors from this unit. The model number on this unit is DO30PMSPH. In order to remove the door, we are gonna open it first. After opening the door, you see this tab here, it's a steel tab. We're gonna bring it up forward, just like that, and do the same thing on other side. Here, I'm gonna bring the tab here, just like that. And then after that, we are gonna remove this Turk's screw. It's number 20 Turk's. Turk's screw looks like this. The drill bit, gonna remove one here, and then there's one, and then there's one right here. So after you remove these two screws, I'm gonna show you the rest. So you're gonna hold it from both sides, lift it up a little bit, and then pull it out. Here, just pulls out like this. See the way it looks, right? This one is on the left hand side, and it also says L. See, it's solid now. Why it's solid? Because you had to adjust these the steel tabs, and to reinstall the door back in. You can also do the cleanup here when you remove it. To reinstall it back in, I will show you. You see the holes in here? There's two holes on each side. You're gonna hold it straight, insert it, now I'm gonna show you. So once you insert it, you kind of push it back and then drop it down. Add your screws back in. Again, two screws. You can add your screw back in here. If your hands are too big for this area, you can use a needle nose plier. Line it up. Do not over tight it, because you're gonna damage the door if you do that. I mean, you're gonna strip the screw hole. Once you add your screws back in, you cannot lift up the door, see, because there's a resistance, because you have to close these tabs back in. See, that tab has to. The same thing, there's a tab in here. See, this tab you have to push it back, and it stays there forever until you remove the door again. See, for the first time, close your door slowly. It's good now. On my next video, I'm going to show you how to remove the door apart completely and clean it. So today I'm going to replace this whole control panel, because this customer is having problem with the touchpad, or sometimes it beeps by itself. It doesn't work properly. So I have the part here ready.